In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the View as Web Page message in marketing email in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where this setting lives and how to control how that web version prompt shows up for your recipients. Start by opening your browser, heading to your preferred search engine, and typing HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, move your cursor over the left sidebar and locate the marketing section. From there, choose Email to open your marketing email tools. Next, pick the specific email you want to adjust and click Edit. This takes you into the editor, where you can manage content and settings. At the top of the editor, look for Display Options and click it. This panel controls how certain system messages and versions of your email are handled. Within Display Options, find the section labeled Version. Here you'll see the plain text version toggle. A quick bit of context. HubSpot automatically creates both an HTML version and a plain text version of your email. The View as Web Page prompt is tied to how these versions are presented to your recipients. If your goal is to simplify or remove that message from the plain text experience and maintain tighter control over how your web view prompt appears, this is where you make the change. Click the toggle to turn off the plain text version. With this off, HubSpot will no longer generate a separate plain text fallback, which can prevent the generic View as Web Page line from appearing in that version. This helps you keep your branding consistent around the web view prompt in the primary HTML version your subscribers will see. Before you finalize, take a moment to consider your audience. Plain text can help with accessibility and can slightly influence deliverability in certain inboxes. If your list skews toward older devices or more restrictive email clients, you may decide to keep it on. If your priority is full control of the HTML experience and a cleaner header without the extra prompt in plain text, turning it off is a good choice. When you're satisfied, click Save at the top to apply your changes. You can always revisit Display Options later to re-enable the plain text version if your strategy shifts. That's it. You've located the setting, adjusted the plain text behavior, and effectively customized how the View as Web Page message is presented for your marketing email in HubSpot.